How to delete Facebook account. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can delete your Facebook account. So let's dive in. First, open your Facebook app and then you have to click this menu icon on the bottom right corner. And now you simply have to click the settings gear on the top right corner, and now it's going to bring you to this page, and here you'll find the see more in account center option. Click it. And once you do so, you have to click this personal details option in this menu, and once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page. And now you have to click account ownership and control, and here you can see you have this option deactivation or deletion. Simply click this option and now simply choose your Facebook account and delete it. I'm going to click my Facebook account over here, and then you can see you have two options, deactivate and delete. Click delete over here and then click continue. And now you have to just click continue again, and then you have to just choose any reason if you want, and then you have to click continue and then click continue again. And now you have to just see over here, you can just permanently delete your account, but before you delete, you can see that you can deactivate, go to activity log, and you can do these all things options that are available over here. And once you're done going through these, just click continue over here. And once you do so, it's going to require your password, so just re-enter your password to continue and then click continue, and then you'll be able to delete your account. And that's how you delete your Facebook account. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.